Hey there fam, welcome back to Mean Business. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today, we're diving into the health benefits of a holistic diet that's 80% fruit and 20% vegetables. Yes, you heard that right. This delicious balance is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that can transform our health in remarkable ways. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started. First things first, let's break down this diet model. An 80-20 fruit to vegetable ratio means your meals will primarily consist of fruits, highlighting the natural sweetness and abundance of nutrients they provide. Fruits are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration, perfect for a vibrant body and mind. On the flip side, the vegetables play a crucial role in providing fiber and essential minerals. Together, they create an amazing balance that can sustain and enhance our energy levels throughout the day. Now, if you're appreciating this information so far, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge. As African Americans, it's important to embrace foods that nourish our bodies and respect our heritage. A holistic approach means considering not just what we eat, but how it affects our overall wellness, mind, body, and spirit. A diet rich in fruit supports optimal digestion, boosts our immune system, and can even help prevent chronic illnesses that our communities often face. Plus, fruits can elevate our moods, reduce stress, and increase productivity. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing smoothie packed with berries, bananas, and spinach. You'll feel the benefits not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well. If this resonates with you, please like and share. Let's keep this conversation alive. Now let's talk about some powerhouse fruits and veggies to incorporate into our meals. Fruits like berries, citrus fruits, and apples are not only tasty but also packed with antioxidants that protect our bodies from damage. On the vegetable side, think leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli, full of vitamins and minerals that are essential for our health. By choosing seasonal and locally sourced produce, we can also support our community and economy. The more colorful your plate, the more diverse your nutrient intake. So, why not explore fresh farmers markets if you can? If you're enjoying this content, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Transitioning to an 80-20 diet can be easy and fun. Start your day with a fruit-based breakfast. Try a smoothie bowl topped with your favorite nuts and seeds. For lunch, whip up a colorful salad with seasonal veggies and fruits for a refreshing twist. Don't forget to snack on fruits. Either grab an apple or some grapes to keep your energy levels high. We're busy and we get it. The point is to make it enjoyable, simple, and sustainable. Add these changes gradually, and soon they'll become a natural part of your routine. Give this a try, and if you love it, and I know you will, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To wrap it up, an 80% fruit and 20% vegetable diet presents some tremendous benefits for our health, vitality, and spirit. As we embrace this change, let's uplift and support one another in our journeys to better health. Filter your plate with vibrant fruits, complement with fresh veggies, and watch how your life transforms. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends and family. Subscribe to Mean Business for more holistic health tips and discussions. Until next time, stay vibrant and healthy. Peace out.